What are we doing?
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday!
Birthday today?
Yes.
If we don't make it to your next birthday, any last words?
I know. Maybe my birthday I come back.
Let's go have some fun.
Yes.
Yeah, buddy!
High five. High five. High five. Here we
Right
go.
on, one more time. Thank you.
Thank
you.
Yeah, buddy!
You ready for this?
Yes.
Let's get in. Let's get up. Let's get up. Let's go rock the skydive. High five. High five. High
Yeah,
five.
buddy, high five. Here we go.
Let's go. Let's go skydiving.
Alright, I want you to let go here. Lift them up. Keep holding me. Keep holding me. Lift them up. Right arm all the way down. Ready? Here we go. Yeah! How do you feel?
Amazing.
You want to do another one?
Yes, hell
Alright,
yes.
pull this left one down all the way. All the way down. Come on. Yeah! You're a rock star! You did so good! Yeah! You did awesome! We just went skydiving. How do you
Hell
feel?
yeah, amazing. Guys, you have to do this.
Everyone should try it!
Yes.
Yeah!
It's a lifetime. Yes.
What was your favorite part?
Jumping out.
Jumping out?
Yes. It was scary, but it was the best.
You did
Yes.
so good up there!
Thank
Yeah,
you.
you're a rock star! Skydive Colorado Springs! Yeah, yeah!